Here we go. Welcome to another Do Not Disturb Dog Walk. Oh, it's a picture of my mum's dogs. Oh. Quigley as a puppy. It's Monday and I'm not at work. It's the middle of the day and I'm not at work. So I took the day off today. Today was going to be an adventure day. I was thinking I was probably not going to be able to record a dog walk today because I was going to go on an adventure. But this morning the adventure got cancelled. So we're just doing the thing. I asked for a day off work, so enjoy a day off work. Yes, and that adventure was going to whisk me away to faraway lands and climb up to see a lighthouse. And I guess one day I'll get offered to go again in the future. After yesterday's successful video, this is video number 2 with the long line, and quickly he's really stretching it out. Quigley. I had great fun for the first time with this on yesterday's recording. Yesterday's recording we went to a really marvellous place. Oh. Come on, Quigley. I didn't know which way Quigley was going to want to go. The funny thing is, we left home earlier and got down the road and realised I hadn't even brought my bag. So we were walking down the street without the phones. And then this watch goes, "Hey, where's the phone?" And I go, "Hey, where is the phone? Wait a minute, I don't have it." All that time I was just absolutely clueless. Hey, where are you going? How do I? Quigley. Oh, this long line thing's new. Oh, Quigley. So we don't film Quigley doing his private business. That's one of the rules of the channel that I keep talking about. And what else? So there's not a whole lot of videos of watching my dog poop. Thank you very much. You get all the best bits and not that bad bit. And if I'm talking too much, oh well, too bad. I don't know. I quite like the idea of people just playing my videos back on mute anyway. Put some music on. Quickly, where are we going, dude? Oh, there's someone in that car. Quigley, haere mai. I won't disturb that man's peace. Oh, whatever it is. Yeah, we're doing a street walk today. Quigley. Taihoa. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, well, we just did a bit of time travelling. I picked up the poop. This is the tree that Quigley tried to poop on. Oh, cleaned it up. Oh, Quigley on the long line, eh? I thought it's feeling kind of, cold. I think we're expecting the wind to start blowing really bad. Maybe. I don't know. Rain forecast. It's been raining every now and again today. We just recorded walking around here recently, didn't we? I feel like we did. Or maybe I went for a walk here. Who knows? Yeah, we've been here before. Quigley. He likes that tree. No doggies today. Again. I put Quigley's jacket on, hoping to just keep him a little bit more warm. It's not the warmest day today, but it's not super cold. Come on. Quickly. Hide him one. No, he's not coming. Quickly. Try to keep up with Quigley, eh? Let's see if I can do that. Feel like the exercise. Look at all these squished fruit. Oh, Quigley, eh? Oh. Quigley. There's a cat. I wonder if Quigley's noticed. Quigley. No, don't be on that. Quigley, naughty. Naughty, that cat's going to tell you off now. Come on. I looked over the fence and the cat was following us. Ooh. My lucky number. I like that number. Pigs. Quigley. Taihua. That's what the sign says. I mean, hey, Quigley. Oh, there's a pedestrian crossing over here. Well, I suppose we should use it. Quigley, here. Come on, this way. Say what? Take it away. Quigley. Yeah, sit. No. Sit. Quigley, sit. Good boy. Up, up, Quigley. Crossing. Good boy. Good. Perfectly executed. Good boy. Oh. I'm just surfing the earth today. For some reason, whenever I dog walk in this location and then put that in the title, the videos are really popular. I think it's just because of the name of the place. Not really popular, they just, every time we come here, the views go up. And I think it's because people searching for it or something, you know, by accident. Quickly. Why Why are you licking the sidewalk, dude? Hey! How do I? Quigs. Heel. Quigley. Tell you what. Hey. Quigley. Huh? Quigley, how do I? Yeah. Quigley waddles. Quigley. Hey. Get out of that garden. Yeah. How do I? Hey. What are you doing? Oh, he poops again. What are you doing in the garden, Quigley? Hey! No, I don't like the look of this. What is that? Donuts. Fucking donuts. Can you believe what my dog just found in the garden? Oh, I'm so no more donuts. No, you're not getting any more. No more. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't go and investigate it without him getting involved. Look, if I let him anywhere near that donut, he'll eat it. He wants to eat some more of that yummy donut. Is that what they call them? It's like a cake with cream in it. And theoretically, the cardboard box in the bushes that he found is probably full of them. What a ridiculous... I've got to have a look. Yeah, what is this? This is extreme. How do I? I'm going to unhide that from the bushes. That's some litter. Look, your long line's stuck in the bushes. Hey. Leave it. Yeah. I've got a treat for you, Quigley. Yeah. Sit. Sit down, Quigley. In or... Hey, look, I've got treats right here. Way better treats. That filthy box of donuts is no good for you, mate. Okay? No good. But, you know, good on you for finding ridiculously irresistible doggy treasure. Good boy, Quigley. Good boy. Good boy. Show us the poop. Hey, want another one? Good catch. Good catching. Hey, good. Oh, I'm going to go check if that bin is unlocked. Hopefully it is. I can't see from here though. Quigley. Good boy. That's my good boy, Quigley. Alright, come on. Let's go. Hey! Leave it! Oh, let's just say the training is not going well. You dickhead. No. It is locked, eh? Yep. But be funny if it had a sign on it that said no poop bags. Quickly, eh? I'm gonna see if I can get him to walk past the donuts. Quickly. I didn't mind. No donuts. No. Keep walking. Good boy. He's been good. Yeah. Look, he's longing for the donuts though. The box of donuts. I feel like I have to do the right thing about that box of donuts and like pick it up. Quigley, what are you doing? Maybe this is where the boxes of donuts emanated from. Look, there's like donut cream on the steps. I'm not kidding. This is like extraordinary. You're finding random shit in the world, eh? Like the other day, that steaming pile of bark mulch. I don't quite know how to get these into the box. Oh, that's funny. I won't show you guys videos of me scooping my dog's poop, but I'll pick up this shit on camera. Oh, got cream on my shoe. Quigley will lick that off, eh? Wouldn't he? Yeah! Oh, it's covered in ants. Oh my god, and the box is all soggy. Quigley, follow me. I'm not even holding on to... Oh! Shit, get off! Leave it! This is a disaster. Oh. Oh, Quigley likes this doing this, eh? Just hanging out. Do you want to lick the cream off my shoes, dude? Thank you. Hey, it needs a bit more. There's still some on there. Alright, Quigley, follow me. Hikoi. Yeah. Harimai. He's looking for more donuts. Here, get out of that garden. Come on. Yeah. Harimai. Oh, sorry, Quigley. Oh, would you look at that? I'm not really looking forward to going back to street walking. This is cool, just hanging out with Quigley on the long line. Hey, just doing whatever he wants to do. Quigley. Oh, I'm not sure I want to go over there. Quigley! How do you bite? Hey, you're not supposed to be eating stuff. Hey. Hey, what? Hey. Come here. Yeah. Quigley. Hey. It's me. Hey, dude. You remember me? Why are we walking around the back way here? Oh, I guess just to prove to everybody that it exists. Quigley is going to find himself another box of donuts, eh? Quigley, you're gonna get tangled up. Gonna get tangled, bro. Oh. Come on. Let's get out of here. Hey, tell you what. I need a toy to throw for him. These radio towers I find quite interesting. Well, no time like the present for a 30-minute ad break, I reckon. It'd be good if I did actually have a 30-minute ad break and just put up my 30-minute, 30-second ad break. Whatever. It works in my head. This is the only ad break you'll ever see. Except for the ones that bloody YouTube probably puts on them, eh? Anyway, if you don't mind, we don't have ads, we just exist, and hopefully people will figure that out. There's an ambulance station here, so it's no surprise to hear them light up their sirens when they have to get on the move. Every now and again, there are sirens in the neighbourhood that are because of police chases and things like that. Which way should we go, Quigley? Where do you want to go? He doesn't want to go anywhere, then I guess we just stay here. Quigley's probably thinking, take me back to the box of donuts. That's the highlight of this video, really. The rest of it's just boring, I bet. Haven't even recorded it yet. But yeah, what else is there to see? This is like Water Pump Village. There's ballet classes in there. I forget what that building's used for. This one's a tramping club. There's a donut there on the ground. Quigley's nose will be looking for that, I bet. It's like, where? There's donut smell everywhere. I can smell this donut. Quigley. This is one of the creepiest, weird service lane alleys that I've ever seen. It's always in this constant state of dangerous from time to time. Yeah. Scout Hall, okay. Makes sense. Quigley. Oh, we're here again. We've done recordings here before. Definitely needs a spruce up. I see some people on the roof of it the other day. Water blasters. Quigley doesn't want to keep going. Oh, look, there you get a rare glimpse of me. Quigley. He quit. I don't know why we're going this way quickly. It's taking too long to build something on this. It's been empty for ages. And always in a constant state of disarray, like it gets used as a storage yard. All sorts of things moving in and out of this thing. Hey! Anyway. He's really loving on that fence. Oh. Oh, there's a big dog up there. Oh. You got spotted out the window quickly. And now he's yelling at you. I bet you guys would be best friends. We can't go in there, Quicks. How do you mind? Yeah, let's keep walking. How dare we walk past your house? Should we try and hit that alleyway that we saw before quickly? Hey? Quigley, how do I? Oh, he's being a weirdo now. You just gotta wrap the line around the pole now. It's annoying. Yeah. This way. There's no more donuts, Quigley. There's no more donuts. Come on. Leave it. I didn't bring you here for the donuts, dude. The donuts are gone. The magical bush donuts. Hopefully it's not too muddy. These shoes went through an ordeal. Last time we used them, we did this treacherous walkway, which was mostly okay, but at the very end of the whole affair, the last little bit of the journey down the mountain was all muddy from, heavy machinery and wrecked it, and it was all muddy, and it was almost like it's still under construction kind of feeling to it. If you're going to go up there and smash it with some heavy machinery, you better bloody come back and fix it. That's my attitude. Yeah. Oh, this horrible busy road. Oh, there's a little post worker trolley van thing coming this way. Oh, we should just step back and get out of its way. And if we stay here, we get to see it drive past, so I think that's pretty cool. Good boy, Quigley. In the hole. Just get back on here. Zoom. That's how you deliver mail, folks. I want a little vehicle that size just to get around town on. Tell you what. I promise you, this is like the last thing that I want to do. Stand next to a busy road, filming the cars going by. I don't think I want... Yeah, this is not a feature of my content. I don't like walking in places like this. And every now and again, that's all the choice we've got. Now there's a police car coming. Wow. That was some to-the-door service by the looks. Oh, there's a letterbox in there. A trip. I want to cross the road, and now seems really good. Yeah, sit. Quigley, sit. No. Okay. Never mind. Goodbye. Good boy. Take it up. Get to it. Goodbye. Hide in my. Hide in one. Oh, there's an alleyway over here, right? Yeah, we're supposed to go this way, I think. Somebody tell the postie lady to stop putting mail in that one. Oh, Quigley. Good boy. He's my good boy. Hey, what? Yeah, let's do this. Come on. Let me get a bit more steps out of this walk, eh, Quigley? That seems like a good place to call it. The end of the recording. They don't have to be an hour long. It's a nice to force myself not to go over an hour, but I don't feel an obligation to always record an hour, and that's why sometimes I don't. But anyway, thanks for watching, and as always, there's plenty more content, so I'll probably see you on another one, especially if you've fallen asleep. Hey. And it just plays the next episode. That's right. It's alright. Quigley, we made it to the end of this episode. See you guys next time.